Hop into the 2015 Chrysler Town & Country. With less than 70,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Start planning those road trips in this well-equipped Town & Country. Designed to please passengers and drivers alike, this impressive minivan prioritizes comfort, safety, spaciousness, and performance. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: power liftgate, electronic stability control, trip computer, power windows, bucket seats, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. Impressive performance meets family-friendly convenience in this remarkable Town & Country. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.